These are survival knots that you need to know how to tie right now. To tie the bowline knot, you first need to make a loop. Here's your working end and your standing end. You take the working end, make it go behind and through the loop. Then make it go around the standing end like this, and then make it go back through the loop. And there you go. You tie the bowline knot. The tail can either be in front or behind, depending on if you go clockwise or counterclockwise. There's so many uses for this knot. You can tie ridge lines, you can hang stuff up. It's referred to as the king of knots, or the most useful knot in the world. What you want to do is you want to take your working and make it go around the thing you're tying it to. Make it go around again, but this time cross it over the part where you first wrapped it around to make crossing lines. Come back around again. When you came back around, make it go under the top of the crossing lines. Pull tight on both ends. You got yourself a clove hitch. Now this knot is very good for practicing ridge lines if you don't know any of the fancy ridge line knots. The bad news is that it can slip easy if you pull on it too tight. The good news is that you can fix that by tying a stopper knot. The loop part of the end, make it go over the ridge line. Then what you do is you take the knot apart, make it go through the looped part, take it and make it go through again, and then make it go through one more time. And now you just pull down, make sure all these are lined up, and now it should look like a fist bump. What it's for is when you hold it down with your fingers, it should move around very easily, but when you pull it down with tension, it's a bit harder to move it, and sometimes not even at all. What we do is we tie or clip this to the tie-up points. This will make your shelter tight. The rain won't get into the shelter and it'll just go right off. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on the Matthew's Bushcraft YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.